Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1967 Pontiac GTO. Great car, guys. This is a clean Tennessee car. It's finished in Regimental red. It's got the black vinyl interior, 400 cubic inch engine, automatic. It's a recent body up restoration. Just a good, solid, straight car. These GTOs are getting really tough for me to get them. In fact, it's the first one I've had in a while. 67, which is a great year. I love the front grille on these cars. And again, just a good, solid, straight car. If you're looking for a nice driver, guys, this is a nice car. It's got the Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Rally 2 wheels with the PMD caps. Pretty car. Very popular cars, guys. Great investments. Always been highly sought after. You can see it's got the original T3 headlights still in it. You can kind of nitpick some things, as you can all of them. Little touch-up mark as you go around it, but very nice. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. I love the grille in 67. Paint's nice. Car's, I think it's 73,000. It's shown on the odometer. That's supposed to be the original miles. Original owner's manuals and Protecto plate is in the glove box. It's just something else. Nothing in the paint there, guys. Just a little. Matter of fact, there's a couple of them. Yeah, I'm not real sure. It's kind of drizzling a little rain here out here earlier, but I'm not sure what it is, guys. It's got something on it. Not real sure. It might be when the guys wiped it down from the rag or something, but paint's nice. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Now, these goats are getting tough to get. Good quality stuff, guys, is hard to find. This car does have the power front disc brakes. It is not the original engine, but it does have a 400 cubic inch engine in it. I know it's sprinkling. Sorry, guys. We'll get through it if we can here. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers. Again, power steering, power front disc brakes. 400 automatic transmission, pretty much stock looking underneath the hood. It's got your original washer bottle, original Harrison radiator. Good looking car. It's got the black pinstripe. Sorry, guys, it's just a little sprinkle here. Windshield's nice. A-pillar chrome's pretty darn nice. Mirrors in great shape. Those door handles have been replaced. I believe this interior is original, guys. Again, it's got showing I think 73,000. I'll show you here in 1 second. Bucket seats, console. It's got the His and Hers dual gauge shifter. As the rain kind of picks up here, I apologize. See if we can get through this thing. It's got the Fisher plate, Fisher body seat belts in it. 73,185 on the odometer, factory dash. It's got the AM radio. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 10-bolt GM rear end. Pretty much a stock gear, maybe 331, 323, somewhere in there. Unfortunately, the next couple of days here, this is what we got. Just kind of gloomy, rainy Michigan weather. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. It's got the whole bias ply, 14-inch spare with the factory jack. It's a power rear antenna. Doggone rain. Pretty car. Car's nice underneath. And you can see the new Flowmasters. Good straight car, guys. Seats are in good shape. Dash is nice. Door handles are nice. Sorry guys, crummy weather. Good running 400. I think you're okay to go down the road. I don't think it's wet enough to really mess it up. You know, make messy. Yeah. Fuel gauge definitely works. Looks like everything else is down there. We got to check that in there. Got a bulb out there on that side.
Blower motor, yeah.
Try the power antenna to go up?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Okay. Blower motor works though?
Yeah.
Wipers probably gonna need, unfortunately here. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our brand new Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. I think we got one light out in there. I'll have Jay check that. Yeah, they sent a light at this out. Good looking car, man. Have a great day, guys.